Hope you all are well. Welcome to my channel, and today I will talk about how to get a responsive WordPress eye-catching website from Upwork, and how to send order and how to get the delivery. So today we will show you how to get a website from Upwork marketplace. There are lots of freelancers in Upwork and freelancer.com, people per hour. There are lots of marketplaces where people are posting jobs and freelancers are completing their tasks. So today I will show you, if you need a website and you want your website in affordable price, how to send order and how to get a website in a very quick time from Upwork. So let's begin from the PC. So this is my Upwork profile I was talking about. I will share the link in the description box so that you can hire me from Upwork. I am certified SEO, website designer, Facebook ad expert. Some recent jobs I have done, some SEO jobs, some website design jobs. So now let's back to the project I was talking about. So this is the project. You will get a responsive eye-catching WordPress website. I will charge only $50. Delivery time 1 day. You will get unlimited revisions. Number of pages 7. You will get 5 installed plugins. I will customize all the design. If you want, I will upload your content. Your website will be highly responsive and mobile users can easily get access of your website, or they can easily browse. If you want, I will add the e-commerce functionality too. So this is my project overview. You can easily get your website in 1 day only. All you have to do is you have to buy your own domain and hosting, which will be $20 only. So this was my review, and if you want these types of jobs done, you can also hire me from here. Voice search SEO, monthly SEO, Amazon affiliate SEO, or Amazon affiliate website design. So all you need to do is just click the continue button, fill in the blanks, put your MasterCard here, pay $50 and get your website in 1 day. Thank you for today.